Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to discuss about engineering third year projects. So let's suppose if you are part of the engineering and you are doing your engineering from either information technology, computer science or electronics department, and then you can make your third year or final year projects in networking, right? And we have a simulator called Packet Tracer available in the market, which is free of cost, right? You can install it like a simple software installation. It will not take much memory or CPU utilization as well, so it can run on a very basic setup of either your personal desktop or laptop. Okay, so here if you see the diagram, I'll in the if you want, you can, in the upcoming videos I can show you the project preparation from scratch, but this is already a build project which I have shared with one of my student for his third year submission, right? So the project name is Intercampus Connectivity. So let's suppose your college is having two branch. One is in Delhi and one is in Bangalore or somewhere in US, let's suppose, right? And in the first branch, you have three different departments. One is student, second is teacher, third is admin, and in the second branch we have only admin department. Now I have divided these departments into three different VLANs. For first site like 10, 20, 30, and for the second site it is VLAN 40. Okay, now in the first department, student department, we have two students sitting connected physically, and in the teachers departments we have two teachers connected physically, and in the admin department we have one physical system connected. Okay, these all are first connected with a layer 2 switch. So if you want, in the upcoming videos I can brief you about the difference between layer 2 and layer 3 switch. These layer 2 switch are connected towards the multi-layer switch. It's a layer 3 switch, right? So for all these system, the gateway is configured on this multi-layer switch. Now this multi-layer switch is connected towards the router. Router is connected to the other side router, and then the layer 2 switch, and then the PCs. So the project task we have is connection between three different departments like department 1, 2, and 3. Inter-campus connectivity means laptop 4 should connect to PC 1 in a separate site. RIP routing information protocol, RIP routing protocol is running between these two sites. So I have run the routing information protocol as well. And then I have configured a VLAN for different department as well. So if I show you the very first switch configuration, so let me show you. So VLAN. See, so these this is the VLAN 10 which I have configured on the first switch. We can give the name as well. So if you see, I have given this switch name as a student, and if I go to the another switch, I have given its name as in teachers. You see, teachers, and the third switch is given as a name as, like, it's more generic for admin department switch, right? So if I go to the multi-layer switch, I'm just showing you the things. So here you can see show IP interface brief. So these are the sub interfaces. I have L3 interfaces I have configured. These are the L3 VLANs, we can say, right? And if you see show IP route, we should have routing protocol running, that is RIP as well, right? So we are receiving the routes as well. So if you see, if I want to ping this PC 40.1.1.1, if I want to ping, if I want to reach this PC from this laptop, let me see if I am able to command prompt ping 40.1.1.1. It should be reachable. It will take some time. First time out. See, so this is reachable. That means, let me do the trace route. TRAC ERT trace route. 40 dot C. So it will showing all the hopes through which this particular packet is going. So this is see the motto to see this type of project to you, like you can use your mind and you can make it bigger for your final year project. Like you can add some DSCP and DNS servers as well here, right? And you can add some access list, some security, some DNS settings as well, right? You can add some HTTP servers as well, right? So for that particular server, some people are having access, some people don't have access, right? If you want to block traffic between two different sites, you can do that as well. And if you see here in this design, the main problem of this design is redundancy. There is no redundancy in place right now. So in your final year, you can add redundancy in this environment, so that if one of the link is down between any of the device, you still have way to go out, right? Currently, let's suppose if this switch connection between this switch and this multi-layer switch went down, then this particular department is isolated. So these are the current problems. So I have intentionally leave these problem right now, because I just want a student to think first of all about this design. And once they come up with the ideas, the new ideas, and the new all the problems what we have with this design, then we can stable this design and work on the stability as well as the redundancy part, so that it can be a bigger project and they can showcase the same project in their final year. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can mark me an email. Thank you.